So I'm here talking to Ingo, who came in and brought sort of an interesting new dimension to Sales Mastery this year. And you know, you got 1,300 people, 1,400 people sitting in there, 10 hours at a time, sitting, drinking coffee, running to the restroom. What was it that you brought to this group, Ingo?
Well, you know, a healthy mortgage broker is a wealthy mortgage broker, right? So we wanted to teach them how to be healthy a little bit.
Yes.
And so sitting, a lot of times, you know, your posture's down, your energy's down. So we did a little bit of nostril breathing, trying to get the brain kind of woken up, because we're thinking with our left brain so much, but the right brain is not really working.
What does nostril breathing look like?
Well, you know, you take one finger and you just kind of put it over one nose and you breathe in through one side and out through one side, and then you switch and out. And so doing that actually starts to activate that right brain, but also starts to oxygenate you, get some of the stress out of your system, get some of that fresh blood in your system, and start to feel better. If you're sitting down all day long, got to breathe, right?
Love it. And then you did, so there was the lion face. Yeah, we want to see the lion face.
You know, the lion face is basically where you kind of open your face up and then you breathe through your nose, and then you kind of come forward and you go, breathing through those nostrils. Again, most of us breathe from our chest,
yes,
and we don't get any energy into our face. All the blood's getting pushed down gravity-wise, and we want to wake up again. It's a great way to wake up at your desk.
Absolutely.
You don't want to do because a lot of people are doing that. We want to use our nostril, because we've got some filters in our nose, no filters in our mouth. So we're kind of getting some of the stuff filtered through. Breathing in, and we also did some piston breathing. We call it the fire breath. Okay, so you kind of put your belly button and kind of push from your belly button, and you're breathing out through both nostrils. It's called, again, helping the digestive system, and also, again, breathing. So you're kind of feeling better, because if you got a stressful day, and you got that call and you're like, oh no, man, this is another fire to put out. You just sit there at the desk and do a little, and that should calm you down, get your thinking a little clearer, no stinking thinking, and then you can go back and actually deal with that fire, put it out, close it, move on. So that's what we're teaching.
Right on. So this is something you can do right now at your desk. You can do it at home. And the beauty of this is, I really want you to picture 1,300 people going, and then lion face. It's unbelievable. It has been a thing of beauty. We would love to have had you here, but we'll see you next year, because it's all about content, application, and staying healthy.
Absolutely.
Staying healthy. Ingo, thank you so much.
Thank you, Bill.
Pleasure.